welcome back to my
channel.
And she's happy because this is her second video of
So today I'm gonna do just my slime collection.
And I'm at her house, as you can see.
Yeah.
And we're gonna show her your slime collection. So
I mean, it's not that much, guys. So basically, yeah.
yeah, you should. You know my channel. If you know my channel,
If you watch my first video, the 3-color slime challenge, the 3-color pencil drawing challenge, please comment down below if you have. Just put yes or just like.
And also, have you seen my channel? I'm not gonna tell you the name of it, but try to guess. If you guess, you win. Now put a thumbs up.
We might give a giveaway. So yeah, basically yeah.
I said that on my channel.
You have to put your address, guys. Just put your address.
Yeah. Only maybe.
And the 3 persons who get it, they will get a giveaway. We cannot tell. It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise. Okay, so we're gonna show you her slime collection. So
yeah,
this is the first one. It's green. Oh! Okay, the next slime.
I have like this one is like lighter than that one because we had a lot of shit.
And it's like this neon color. Oh, chicas, they're good. It's like
And
very
we have
thick.
this blue one.
She has a short, but don't judge because like that's like baby yellow.
Comment down below if you know me anyways. Yeah.
Macy!
Here's Macy, a special guest too. So thank you guys for watching this video today. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, it will be right here.
And turn on notifications. Bye!
And bye.